The purpose of this video tutorial is to show you how to request an additional role for your Remo profile. So what you'll do first is sign in using your username and password. And click on Request Additional Role in the gray area on the left-hand side of the page. This page will show you a list of current roles that you have and also additional roles that you can request. So scroll down to the bottom and choose the role that you would like to add to your profile. Then click Continue. On the next page, you need to make sure that all 4 questions here have been answered to complete your profile. So the first question asks if you're a student. So if you are a student researcher, make sure that you click yes for this question. Number 3 will be to select your primary department or organization. And if you search for a specific word, make sure you put the % in front, and the different organization codes will come up for you. Then select which one you belong to. Please note, if you are a student researcher, that you will choose student as your organization or department code. Then click Continue. Once you get to this page, you have one more step of either submitting your role request or withdrawing the request. So if you get to this point and realize that you need to withdraw the request, you can click on that option, or to finalize your request for the role, click on Submit Request. Then click OK to have it processed. So if you have requested a role that you are eligible to hold, you'll see right away that the role request was granted for you.